Are you ready to take your website online with Xlogic? Whether you're starting a new blog, creating an online store, or managing a corporate project, a good web hosting service is the foundation for a successful online experience. With Xlogic, your site will run at top speed. Our latest generation servers offer high performance, uncompromising security, and all the reliability you need. Thanks to cPanel, managing your web space is simple and intuitive, featuring a clear and comprehensive interface. cPanel is included in all our hosting plans. LateSpeed is a high-performance, highly scalable web server. It ensures a faster, more stable, and secure website. You can also use the LS Cache plugin for WordPress. Immunify 360 is a security suite that identifies and blocks cyber threats. It includes intrusion prevention, exploit protection, malware detection, and proactive defense. Jet Backup is an advanced backup tool that allows you to restore your entire site or just the specific parts you need directly from the cPanel dashboard. Our solutions: shared hosting, WordPress, Reseller, e-commerce, dedicated VPS, and backup storage. Domain registration is not included in the price. Xlogic Hosting is a well-established company since 2011, recognized as one of the top hosting providers in Europe. Want fast, secure, and reliable hosting? Choose Xlogic.